Action.
Just let me compliment him.
Listen. Look, this is how you do it. Nicole, say action.
Action.
He's walking.
That's it. Look at the body. Somebody you know you hate.
I'm recording this.
You stay right there and you don't hesitate.
Okay.
Ready?
Yeah.
Action. Don't laugh. Samantha, look. Let me tell you something. God, what the hell is wrong with this woman?
I drank too much.
What the hell is wrong with you? Look. Why can't you just say action?
Because you're funny, so
Look at me.
you're still funny.
Look at Betty coming in on her crutches.
Come here, baby.
7. Now
Come
I'm
here.
like sweating. 7. Now I'm
Come
sweating.
All right, come here.
What?
This is
Trying
supposed to
make
be.
me look serious, but he keeps making me
Come
laugh.
here. No.
Nice.
Come here. Walk in there now. You
Walking in the middle.
Don't do that. All right, right there. Wait a minute. Say action.
Action. Action.
Look pissed
Oh,
off.
sorry.
Don't laugh. Don't
You see when you say don't laugh, then that makes people laugh. Okay.
Jesus Christ. Do it again. This is it.
Well, be quiet then.
No more pictures. Okay, the movie.
Are you ready?
Yeah.
You look like you're walking in. You smoke. You got your hands in there. You're walking into a crime scene.
Alright.
You know
I'm gonna
Yeah.
could be your friend. Come in. Action.
Action.
Alright, I'm coming. Don't say anything.
Wait.
Yeah, don't say anything. She's coming.
1, 2, 3. That's it. Almost. You don't lean on it. You don't lean. Oh my God. You don't lean.
She's acting like Columbo.
You don't lean.
Can I just stand here and then she can...
Yeah, but look over there.
Don't laugh.
Tell you what, you look
funny.
good with that.
Yeah,
I'm telling you.
Looks nice, Sammy. I'm telling you the truth.
I'm even going to do better. Come here, look.
I know
I'm
the
going to show you something. Come here. When I say action, come. Take your jacket off. You gotta get off this, you wanna be an actress? I'm gonna tell you. You want it right.
Oh, it's not about talking for.
That's what he's doing.
Okay, but nobody will know that. Your hands in there.
Hurry up because we want to watch that movie.
And this is
Look at battery. Can we take a picture?
Then you have to tell Glory not, right? You're not going?
Well, she's coming here.
Yeah, so we can figure it out.
Yeah,
When?
we'll see her.
But she said if she leaves Tuesday, I guess the show is
Hey,
when?
Nicole,
Yeah.
you have to take it from the waist up.
Okay. Okay.
It's like styling her too.
Mm.
All right, you say action.
Action.
So. Is that your jacket?
How's that? Is that good? Huh?
Good.
Good, right?
Yeah, it's so good.
Was it?
Yes. Sammy, you go out, you will find a boyfriend like that.
I bet.
It's not about the boyfriend, it's about the movie. Let me see.
The camera's being really weird, but
No,
still.
if I were you, I would
Look
wear
at
something.
man. Oh, wait a minute. I got it. No, I see it. No, you know what? I see it.
Do you remember when he used to put like a hump in his back?
Yeah.
Come here, buddy.
Scared
Good
us.
for you.
Yeah.
Buddy, come here.
I think that's why we're scared now.
No, it was too long. It was too long.
What happened? No, I'm saying when he used to scare us, the humpback guy. Here.
You know what? It was too long. The thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Didn't
Wonderful.
drive very well because,
Taking a video of all of this.
As soon as you put that on, you start sweating right here.
I
They
know.
did get hotter, I think.
I
Or the
know.
laughing too.
Yeah, the laughing.
Huh?
I'm recording all of this video. I can't wait to watch it.
Huh?
I can't wait to watch the video.
You should wear it. Your mother used to love to wear hats.
I wear hats. Hats. Don't you wear hats?
Oh, really?